and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a fun and delicious recipe for Oreo dirt pudding cups. So for this recipe, you'll need Oreos, chocolate pudding, and any optional decorations like these gummy worms. You'll also need a Ziploc bag and clear cups. So let's get started. To make your Oreo dirt pudding cup, start by crushing your Oreos. So take your Oreo and pull it apart and scrape out the center. And add your Oreos to your Ziploc bag. I have about 4 Oreos in here. And seal your bag. Make sure you get all the air out. This will make it easier to crush your Oreos and your bag won't pop. And go ahead and crush your Oreos. That looks pretty good to me. Once your Oreos are crushed, you can start layering your pudding. So take your cup. And there's a lot of different ways that you can layer it. Here's one example. I did Oreo pudding, Oreo pudding. And this one, I did Oreo pudding, Oreo. And this one, I did Oreo and then pudding. And this one to me kind of looks like bedrock and then topsoil. So you can be creative with how you layer your cup. So I'm going to start with Oreo on this one. And next I'll add some pudding. One more pudding. And flatten it down just a little bit. And next I'll add a little bit more Oreo. And now I'll add my decorations, my gummy worms. And here's my Oreo dirt pudding cup. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.